So I am in the middle of a sneezing fit, and I got a request to hold back. So we're gonna see how this goes. Usually holding back makes it tickle much more intense. Don't sneeze. But I'm going to do my best. And I'm not cheating by using my off button. There's a spot. On the bridge of my nose that if I pinch it, it'll stop it. And I'm not letting myself use it for this. I have to hold back hands free. No. Don't sneeze. My cat's coming over. He doesn't like it when I breathe heavy. So my goal is going to be to hold back for like 5 minutes. And then let myself no, don't sneeze. Let myself go. They usually get pretty rapid after that. It's hard to hold back when I'm already in the middle of a fit. Like if I could hold back before the fit starts, then I have a better chance. No, don't sneeze. I am 3.5 minutes in. No, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. No, don't sneeze. Okay, I'm at 4 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm almost there. I'm gonna see how long I can do it now. Because I'm actually doing pretty well. But once it starts, it's gonna, like, really start. I can feel it building in the back on both sides. Even when I'm not hitching, like actively building up, it's still really tickly and burning. And I'm like dripping. I'm gonna have to blow my nose after this, but I'll tag it in the description when it is, so that if you don't like that, you can skip it. Okay, actually, I'm gonna blow my nose now because I can't. I'm like dripping. And it's gotten to the point where, like, I might be too congested to actually get it out now. Oh. Okay. Ugh. I'm a mess. Okay. Yeah, it's coming back now. Sometimes if I hold back for too long, it'll get stuck. Out of spite. And it looks like that's what's got me now. I can feel it right there. And it just won't come now. Oh, come on. Oh, this is getting ridiculous. Darn it, it's gonna be intense. I can feel it. It itches worse now than it did in the beginning. And now it just won't come.